Hi there! Today I'm going to teach you guys how to download this Chrome extension called Netflix Party. So you're probably asking, what is Netflix Party? So, especially during quarantine, we might get a little lonely and we don't get to be able to talk to our friends in face-to-face. So here's the next best thing that you can do so that you can watch movies or TV shows at live time with your friends. So how do we do that? Okay, so today, first what we need to do is go to Google, Netflix Party extension. Once you've got that down, you're going to want to click the first link. This is the one that says Chrome Google. And of course, this only applies to Google Chrome because it is a Chrome extension. You and your friends will have to be able to download Chrome and the extension on your browser. So first, here's the page of Netflix Party. Basically, here's a rundown of it. Netflix Party, watch Netflix and sync with friends. Create Netflix parties to watch your favorite Netflix shows and movies together. If you use this extension, you can stay in sync with friends while watching Netflix videos, chat while streaming with friends. So right here on the top on the right, next to the screen, there is a chat box so that you can talk to them while you're watching a scene, or you can just say hello while you're watching and enjoy watching Netflix together anywhere remotely. So what we're gonna do now is press this blue button called that says Add to Chrome, and it's gonna say Add Extension, this pop-up window, and it'll pop up here in this corner. Yes, okay. Once it's there, what we're gonna do now is log into Netflix. So once you get to Netflix, but you can choose anything you want, you're gonna want to click the top right corner and see where all your extensions are. So here I have Netflix Party, and you'll notice that when you're not in Netflix, the icon will turn gray. But when you are, it'll turn red. That means that you're able to use it. So once you're on Netflix, you're gonna click the icon, and you can start the party. Okay, and once you get this here, you'll see that on the right, this black bar will have popped up. This is a chat bar, and here is your link with the copy URL button. So basically what you're going to want to do is copy this link, and you're going to want to paste it into your messages and send this link to other people, like your family or your friends, or just anybody that you want to watch Netflix with. And once they click that link, they'll end up here. They'll pop up on the chat bar, and we'll be able to watch together. And when you're done, you can just press disconnect to exit from Netflix Party. And there's even a checkbox here to show the chat or not. And you can and here it is. So you can say hello messages. And you can even change some personalizations like your icon and your name so that people know who you are. And there you go. Let's say hello again, and my name will pop up. As a host, you can choose whether you want to pause it or play it. For example, when I play it, it says here in the chat box that I'm playing the video. If you make it so that you're not just the host, you can have your other friends pause and play whenever they want to. And that's about it. So today I taught you guys how to download Netflix Party, a way to watch Netflix with your friends and family, even in quarantine. In Los Angeles, California, my name is Anne Borja. For Digital Nest, we live in interesting times.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to show us some love by liking it and subscribing or following us on all of our social media platforms, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. We'd love to hear what you think. So if there's something that you liked, or maybe something you'd like to see from us, let us know in the comments and we'll try our best to make that happen. See you later.